Welcome to the Bull Strangle strategy. Our approach combines stock ownership with systematic option selling to generate income while maintaining long-term market exposure. Every trade follows a repeatable process built around stock selection, premium collection, risk management, and disciplined execution. Let's get started. When evaluating a stock, most investors instinctively look at the chart. Is the stock in an uptrend? Has it been making higher highs? Does the trend look strong? Those are good questions, but they're also subjective. One of the goals of the Bull Strangle stock ranking system is to replace opinions with objective, measurable data. That's exactly what the trend structure metric was designed to accomplish. Instead of relying on visual chart analysis, trend structure uses historical testing to identify the types of trends that have historically produced the best results. Trend structure evaluates three specific characteristics. First, it measures when the current stock price sits above the 20-day, 50-day, 100-day, and 200-day moving averages. Stocks trading above all four moving averages historically produced much stronger results than those trading below their longer-term averages. Second, the system measures how far the stock has moved above the 20-day moving average. This helps distinguish between healthy momentum and weaker price action. Finally, it looks at the stock's position relative to the 50-day moving average, providing another measure of intermediate-term trend strength. Together, these three components create a trend structure score ranging from 0 to 8. When we tested nearly 2,900 historical observations, the results were compelling. Stocks with the weakest trend structures produces average losses of more than 2%, won less than 40% of the time, and experienced large losses much more frequently. By contrast, the highest rated trend structures generated average returns exceeding 3% while producing significantly higher win rates. The research confirmed that stronger trend structures have historically provided a much better environment for the Bull Strangle strategy. Of course, no single metric should ever be used by itself. A stock may have an excellent trend, but still fail other important screens, such as institutional ownership, implied volatility, market capitalization, or stock price. Likewise, a fundamentally attractive company may receive a lower trend structure score if its technical picture has begun to weaken. Every metric contributes one piece of the overall picture. That's why trend structure is only one component of the 7-factor Bull Strangle ranking system. Along with institutional ownership, average true range, IV versus historical volatility, market capitalization, stock price, and implied volatility, it helps identify stocks that have historically demonstrated the characteristics associated with stronger performance. The objective isn't to find perfect stocks, it's to identify the highest probability candidates using objective, data-driven research. Trend structure completes the 7-part series of the Bull Strangle stock ranking methodology. Together, these 7 metrics provide an objective framework for evaluating stocks before they ever reach the weekly watch list. Perhaps most importantly, the ranking system isn't static. As additional data is collected, the scoring and weighting will continue to be evaluated and refined. The objective is continuous improvement, using historical research to build an even better stock selection process over time. Before you go, continue your Bull Strangle journey. Visit bullstrangle.com to receive weekly stock selections, option selling opportunities, and ongoing research designed to help investors generate consistent income. For a complete step-by-step guide, pick up a copy of the Bull Strangle strategy, which is available on Amazon. Research, discipline, consistency, income. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.